Here's the new highbanker. Started building it about a month ago. I got the design for the hopper off of my 8-inch Grey Wolf highbanker. I like the transition from the hopper to the grizzly bars down into the sluice better than the Keen or any other ones that I've seen, so I decided to do the same thing for mine. Nice highbanker. This one's going to be fed with the Skidsteer hopefully next year after I get the notice of work permits finished and completed. Sluice is 8 feet long, 16-inch wide, and 1/8 aluminum. Hopper's 64 inches, 66 inches long. Grizzly bars, 1/4 inch, cold rolled round stock, spaced roughly about 3/8 to 1/2 inch spacing. I wanted 1/4 inch spacing, but I would have had to buy another 20 feet of material for another 2 or 3 bars, so I just spaced them out evenly to get that 1/2 inch spacing. Rubber matting for the dampening pad to keep the water nice and smooth. Put some 1-inch strapping on it to keep the ends of the sluice a little bit more stable, and then I can lower it down and bolt it on to right there for transport. Folds down nice. Spray bars are 1.5 inch ABS that I'm going to run off of 2 1.5 inch pumps to get away from pulling water permits. I was going to use a 3-inch spray bar, but I figured I could get enough water flow out of 2 1.5 inch pumps. Matting's going to be gold hog mats. I'm going to convert my 8-inch highbanker as well. I think it's probably the best technology out there, so I'm going to give it a whirl and see how it works. All I got to do is put the strut between the top and bottom for the adjustable hopper, and then the legs are going to be hand cranked swivel trailer jacks that I'm just waiting for them to go on sale before I buy them. Can't wait to get out and use it.